Last year, we drove the NC500 in our motorhome Evie. Or, I should say, we nearly drove it. Two small bits were missed out because of the size of our motorhome. The NC500 was an unfinished business. We're coming back to conquer Clachtoll and the Applecross Pass. Flying up to Glasgow and then hiring a car, we were going to go back and finally drive the last few miles. Reaching Urnapool, and more specifically the Newton Lodge, which was our lodging for the first night, it was not far from the Carlisle Bridge. It was unfortunately wet and windy, but the views from our bedroom overlooked the local loch called Glencool. A little bit windy out here. The lounge was very comfortable and the dinner menu was extensive. However, all too soon, it was time to move on. First stop is the Stir Lighthouse. It's only 26 miles, however the roads are single track, but the views are beautiful. Driving further around the headland, we got to Clachtoll, where we stayed last time. Those grey clouds really did mean it was about to pour down with rain. Quickly we left there and moved on to Ardwick Castle, a place that we'd missed before. Our next stop was at Gairloch. We stayed at the very grand Gairloch Hotel and were given a room with the most definite view. The next day, Sunday, it dawns sunny. However, that's not for long. We leave Gairloch and head off via Torridon for the famous Applecross Pass and the fearsome Be Lach Na Ba peak. Be Lach Na Ba is famous for its hairpin turns, its single-track road. Oh yes, it probably rains. It might even become foggy.
I wouldn't want to bring a motorhome up here.
Pardon?
I wouldn't want to bring a motorhome up here, really.
Camper van's are alright, but I wouldn't want to bring something big as Evie up here.
No. They forgot to tarmac this bit.
Obviously some damage in the window, isn't it? Keep going for it longer.
I'm gonna, don't worry. I got sidetracked that bit. You might have lots of window panels in there. Well, it's what we say to our kids: be in the moment. Don't just film everything. Have a look round. And I did, and I lost control of the film completely. It's good, we're going down below the line of the cloud now, which is nice.
Yeah, we are, aren't we?
Yeah. I can imagine if that cloud was any worse, so that'd be quite nasty up there.
Yeah. Conquered. We did it. The infamous Applecross Pass and the Be Lach Na Ba, helped probably by encountering little traffic. The T-junction marks return to more normal roads. We stopped first at Victoria Falls, then on to Castle Dorney, then the Commander Memorial at Speedbridge before finally arriving at Fort William and our last night. The next morning, before heading back to Glasgow, we took the cable car up to the ski resort at Anach Moor just outside Fort William. Then, leaving Fort William, we stopped at Ballachulish to look at the Celtic hut, before driving through Glencoe with the sugar-coated mountains either side of us. Finally, Debbie smiling because she survived the pass. NC500, tick complete.